Hi everyone, it's Maddie here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I actually originally had a makeup tutorial planned for you. Obviously I'm not wearing makeup, so that is not the plan for today. I am with Nora, of course. It is a Thursday, so I watch her on Thursdays, and we love to make treats. And since it is Christmas time, I figured I would show you a fun little cupcake recipe that we're doing today. I'm putting a bit of a spin on traditional cupcakes and want to make them really Christmassy. So we are going to take this moist chocolate cake mix, make some yummy cupcakes, but with a bit of peppermint in them to just give it that holiday flavor. And then we'll do fun frosting and decorating the cupcakes. So let's get started. Okay friends, so to make this basic Betty Crocker chocolate fudge mix, we're going to start with our mix and add 1 1/4 cups of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, mix that all up. And then we have a special ingredient that we will be using today. So right here, we have our peppermint extract, and I'm gonna be doing about 1.5 teaspoons of this. You wanna be very careful, don't get too generous with your peppermint extract. This does not need to taste like chocolate toothpaste. We want it to taste like a candy cane-esque treat. So yeah, we're gonna stick with very basic ingredients, and this is gonna taste really yummy. Our batter nice and mixed. And now, like I said, we're gonna go in with some peppermint extract, and then we will put these in the cupcake tin. Okay, so we have filled up the molds successfully. Well, they're not molds, they're cupcake tins. I'm using these cupcake liners, which are super cute. They're just gingerbreads with some snowflakes on them, so they're really cute. Now these are gonna go in the oven. We are baking at 350 right now. And these will bake for around 15 minutes. It really depends on the kind of pan you're using. So just pay attention to what your directions say. But for me, these will be in here for around 15 minutes. And we'll see you then. So while the cupcakes are baking, I've made our cute little Holly Jolly sprinkle mix here. Just got some plain sugar with some red beads and some green crystally sprinkles as well. So that will be going on top. And for now, we'll just wait for them to come out. I'll probably be frosting them instead of doing it on piping. I'll just frost them and then dip them in the sprinkles. It'll be a really cute touch. I'll just grab one to show you. They turned out really nice and chocolatey. We also have another batch right here that's just cooling, but I just finished making the frosting, which is delicious. How did it taste, Norabelle?
Good.
Good. She's having one of the cupcakes that kind of fell apart. But if I open it up here, you can see it's a pretty good consistency. It's just a nice whipped kind of frosting. Nora's gonna watch Frozen. And I'm going to just barely be frosting the cupcakes on the top, not too much frosting, and then dip them in the sprinkles for that final effect. To mention the ingredients I used in this frosting, I used 1 stick of unsalted butter, 3 cups of powdered sugar, about 3 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that is my basic recipe for some good old vanilla frosting. I urge you to give it a try. It's good for anything really. Cookies, cupcakes, regular cakes, really up to you. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and frost these cupcakes. So here's our cupcake here. We're gonna take a glop of frosting, spread this around all nice. And once we have a nice even coating, then we're just gonna dip it into the sprinkles. There's our nice even cupcake. We're gonna take our sprinkles, just roll it around And look how beautiful that is on the top. Oh, it looks like a little snowy mountain. So I'm gonna finish the cupcakes and I will get back to you. Alrighty guys, so that was it for this week's cupcake recipe. These turned out amazing. They tasted good and they were beautiful. The sugar really helped them sparkle and stand out. It's simple but really pretty decor on the cupcakes. So yeah, I hope you'll give them a try. I'll try and remember to leave the recipe in the comments. If I forget, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just follow it in the video. I will be having a holiday party makeup look coming out sometime this week as well. And I also will be doing my, of course, what I got for Christmas video, my last one until I leave for my mission. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.